Picture parking at a giant mall. You have two options here, and one of them will quietly drive you completely crazy. Option 1. Memorize the exact floor, section and space number. But if the mall rearranges the lot tomorrow, you are lost. Option 2. Hand over your keys and take a ticket. You never learn where the car went, and you never need to. Kafka is that first parking lot. It forces every app to track the exact partition and offset where each message lives. Malachi is the valet. You hold only an opaque cursor. Underneath, the broker can split and rearrange all the data freely. Your ticket still works. You never needed to know where the data lived. That is the whole idea behind Malachi.